How's it going, guys? Nick at Twila Valley Motorsports, and we just finished up this new Maverick R build. Really cool desert car, going to a great customer and friend of ours. But just wanted to touch on a few things that we did on this machine that were new for a build on a Maverick R for us. Couple cool things on this. He really wanted to set it up for more open desert running, more trail riding. This machine will hit the dunes occasionally, but really was adamant that these arms need to be blacked out, and it looks really good. Taking the car apart and powder coating these arms, it is a lot of work, but it is definitely worth it. It really cleans up the look, sharpens it up. This machine also got one of the full services from Shock Therapy. So it's got their valving, their spring kit. This is a Smart Shocks car, so it does work with that. Shock Therapy's done a really good job. A lot of the feedback that we've had from people is the back end of the Maverick R, it is pretty soft, and I've even talked about this in my own videos on my own Maverick R, but the Shock Therapy setup supposedly works really well, really helps clean that up, maintains the compliance. Now, with this being a desert car, had some feedback that rocks have been deflecting into the rims, causing some issues there. Rocker Knockers has this really great mud flap set. All the desert guys are electing to do these. I think it's a great idea on this machine. Also coming around the back end, it's got all of Shock Therapy's radius rods, just kind of cleans that up, tidies it up, gives it a little more strength, looks really nice. Those are S3 sway bar links and S3 pull plates with the radius rod nut retainer kit. That's a really nice setup from S3 Power Sports. Have that in here. Evolution Power Sports have charge tubes, blow-off valves, and this car also features an unlocked MG1 ECM, so it is ready for tuning when the customer elects to put the programming on it. Right now it's running a stock file, but the ECM is unlocked and ready. It will also go with a code shooter so that the customer can tune the car to his liking. If he wants to run race fuel in it at the dunes, he can set it for race fuel. If he wants to run pump gas while he's trail riding, he's going to have the ability to do all of that with his unlocked MG1 ECM. You can see a lot of storage on this machine. Can-Am link rack, spare tire. We've got some whips from MB1. Just really ties up, makes it a nice, sharp-looking machine. Did an intrusion bar set. Doesn't want to run a windshield. This has got a PCI Trax kit in it with also a helmet pumper system. So just really oriented more for desert riding. This one does feature the Can-Am ACM Smart Control Module for its Baja Designs upper light. It also has the smart mirror lights so that they turn on when the machine turns. So it's based off steering wheel angle. So a lot of really cool features in this machine. Turned out to be a really nice build, clean car. Really excited to get this down to the customer and let him get some time on it and start using it. See what he thinks. He's owned several X3s. So I think this will be a really, really nice improvement for him with the riding that he does, and we'll see what he has to think. But anyway, just want to showcase this car, take a minute, show everyone what it looks like, and a few of the things that were unique on it for this build. We'll keep coming at you with more builds as we continue to produce them. Thanks.